Welcome to GA Style Peeps, and today we are rescuing another car from another butcher shop. So today we have Volvo, can't remember exactly which one it is, I believe it's a 945 classic. Basically now, lovely motors, lovely cars, nice estate, nice look, certified shitbox, why not? Slow car club bitches. So right, the problems in this car, what do we have here? We have absolute mess, as you can see. I don't know what the hell, where it didn't even start. There's some sort of fucking funky push switches, whatever for it was, I don't know. We'll leave that there. Bum bum bum. So basically you need to sort all this wiring, trying to figure out what's going where, delete some of the things, check that there's no live in here, because something's getting given power from somewhere. I do not even understand. This goes to the speaker. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set my camera up, and I'm using this light because it's bloody dark in here, so hopefully that's not going to be interfering a lot. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to slowly but surely try and get the power, the speaker wires. I believe that's where it is. Yes, we've got some sort of power connectors there. Cool, need to check it all out. Right then, let me set this thing up and let's proceed and rescue this old school Volvo from this. Hey. Right then, let's start with this mess. So, powers, what's all that? Don't even know. Right, so how does this go? What's this? What's this? Where does this go? Yeah, this is madness. This is absolute madness. Nicely connected. That's how easy it is all to take apart. I'm not gonna need that. We are definitely needing this. And then we've got the power side. Oh. So. Does it even have rear speakers? Yes, it does. So there's some. Right, well, what is this? This is definitely going bye-bye. Whatever the hell was this, because this is not needed. And this is not needed here either. Let's just check that it's not live. Nothing obvious. Right, well, let's leave this to a side. Opa. What is nice? don't like this crap. So there was connector, but not anymore. So we find out what is what. This needs to go by as well. That's off, that's off, that's off, that's off. So that's one bunch of wires, it's another bunch of wires. Check all the fuses that they're not popped. I need to get some tape actually and tape some of this together. So this and this, right, this is different. So this needs to come together. What other cables are there? We have grey cable connects to the, oh yeah, this is madness. This is absolute madness. Right, I've managed to find the ground, which is black, and I've managed to find a remote turn on. The only wire that I haven't found yet is the constant live. Constant, does my tits in this thing. So, need to continue search for cables with these two and these two that are in here. These are all remote turn ons, and then I don't need them. Well, I'm gonna need them, but not all of them. So I'm gonna actually just tape them up a little bit. Tape them up. So I know where I'm at. So these are all remote turn on and off. I believe because it had like an amplifier in the, that's in the past, whatever it had. Right, so let's keep on continue finding. So there's nothing from this wire, nothing from this wire, and what's in here. So we've got another one. Hey, I found my permanent live wire. Happy days. Happy days. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna use this one and the orange one for the live feed, and this is all my power cables in here. Black is ground, which I hope to be black ground. Really, I know it's an old car, but black should be black no matter what. Black should be ground. Now, the main issue, basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to test all the wires. There's no more positives. You never know. So what is this? What's this? Yellow. Dead. 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 I don't know what them wires are, but they'll probably be tweeters or something like that. which we will find out in a minute. That's that. See, like these are all connected together. So let's pop these off. No power. No power. No power anywhere there. So let's check all these then. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. And nothing there. So what I need now is I need a little battery. I could actually figure out this way, but I will be here for ages. So need a little battery, and then we'll be beeping through. It will be beeping through the speakers, tweeters, and whatnot. Because I believe them cables that have been attached onto there, they are for the tweeters on the top, and then the speaker wires separately, because that's, I think that's how they've built this system. So let me go find the battery. So let's find the speakers. Oh, shut up. So let's see if I'm right. Yep, that's the tweeter. Right tweeter, and this will be the, I assume, left tweeter, isn't it? Yes, and that is the other side of the tweeter. So I found the tweeters, front tweeters. These are the front tweeters. Let's keep these together. And do the back speakers for tweeters. We don't know, but we will find out. So apparently by the look of this is supposed to go onto the back speakers. Let's check. Yeah, that is the back speaker. Back left. Back left. I'm gonna have to get this skinned. I'm gonna go up. Right, for the starters, what we'll do is we'll actually sort out the power side, so I don't get any more singeing shit going on, so there's no more sparkles, and yeah, so basically the ground is all in one thing. This is constant live, so we're gonna have to put this here. I'm gonna need a different connector. That is off. So what we'll do is I'm just gonna basically crack on so I can speed this thing up and enjoy the show. Right then, so the power side is all finished. That's good. Happy days about that. Now I need to continue figuring out the speakers. Speakers because front ones, tweeters are separate from the doors. I know exactly which wires are here because these are already here. All I need to now is find out is which wires are which for the speakers for the back and the front. So I know these two are already for the back, and by the look of it, these two are the front. Then we've got left 1, 2, 4 wires. 4 wires. Hopefully that's how simple it's gonna be. But for me to do that, I need to chop this open. Because it's all gonna be taped up properly. It'll be a nice harness to work with, and no more messing around or nothing. Everything's gonna be just straightforward from now on. Well, once I'm finished with it, yeah, it will be. So this is back. So this is back. Let's leave these away. I'm gonna go grab a peg. Actually, fuck it. So now I need to find out. So this black and white should be the front left, as long as I'll know where white should be front left. So then we will beat that through. Right, where's my battery? Battery. Yeah, that's that. So then I will be able to link this, this with that, and that will go with that. So now I've got still left, I've got blue and yellow. Let's try these two, blue and yellow. I want to see if that's going to be the rear or not, because one of these should be the rear and one of these should be the front driver's side. So we need to find it. Yeah, so these are back, blue and yellow, and then we've got left is just red and orange. Well, red and yellow, and that should be that side of the door. Yes, cool. So I've identified all them speakers, which is good. Now it's just going to be a slow process of sorting these out. What we'll do is because I have no idea which is positive and which is negative, so I'm gonna have to do it the old way. When you just connect it on and hear how it sounds. If it loses the sound, then it means it's in the reverse polarity. If it stays the same and improves it by another speaker, that means it's the right way connected. So let's start with the box. Let's start with the back. I'm gonna need aerial. Where is the aerial? I just had it in my shit. Here's the aerial. as well I want to find out whether this cable here has got actually if it is actually antenna power one, because it does have an antenna power like from the factory, but I do not know where's the key. So let's connect two buttons. Just for the reference.
But I promise tonight.
Yeah, it doesn't really need the antenna power wire, so what we'll do is we'll basically delete that, and that's it. Right, I'm gonna continue with all this wiring because I'm gonna have to mute this music and put something else. So, but I'm gonna crack on and try to find all the cables and how they go. So yeah, enjoy the show if you can see anything.